I every single task to done, but I every single day miss my YouTube videos. I fucking all tasks done. I my write my script. I do journaling, meditation, book reading. Every task I done. I know is a not a big task. You are not going in that task, but I control myself. Why I do it regularly, but I don't shoot videos. Why is a um, one reason that I don't shoot is not my personal phone. It's from my sister phone. Is okay, and that reason I don't shoot. I not proper confidence. I uh, imagine my videos seeing my sister and I uh, judging. This is judging me. That reason I don't shoot. But I to today think about this. I regular shoot and I delete this video. I uh, don't I don't focus on that things कि that video I upload YouTube don't upload. I nothing this focus on. I focus on I shoot regularly. I talk front of camera regularly. Only enough. I don't big portfolio. I know I don't care about. I fucking shoot only. It's enough for me. And I don't I know about the shooting in English, but my mind in thinking on English. I don't think right now in Hindi. It's a head I'm thinking. It's fucking poor language, so I don't talk Hindi. I trying to my basic English, and only 1 to 3 months I proper talking English. I think about English properly. I understand English, and enough only 2 minute videos. But I skip this. But uh, one reason. But I finding that what is behind the reason, and I easy only 3 minute videos, 2 minute videos. I get enjoy that post. I deeply desire for shoot my videos. I find the way for shooting my videos, and bye.